Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Calendar to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and our teammates. From here we have to tap on General and then tap on Connect Apps. Then in this section we can just tap on go to Daily Tools and tap on Google Calendar. The app is going to load, but after it is done we can just tap on the Add to Slack button, and then the app is going to be added to our workspace, and then we can just use it. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.